Chapter 8 A Journey by Train. Anshu and Kunal live in Goa. Their grandparents live in Delhi. Anshu and Kunal are going to visit them. They are going with their uncle. They are going by train. They hire a taxi and reach the railway station. They buy tickets and go to platform number 3. The train arrives. They get into the train. Kunal sits next to the window. The train started moving. Anshu and Kunal look out through the window. They see trees outside as running. Suddenly, the train makes a lot of noise. It is going over a bridge. The bridge is over a river. Suddenly, it becomes dark. The train is going into a tunnel. Soon it crosses the tunnel. Again, it is light. Soon it becomes night. They all fall asleep. It is morning now. The train is reaching Delhi. Their grandparents were standing at the station to welcome them.